morning to all. Today we are going to start the exercise 8C of the chapter 8th logarithms. Its first question is there that if log 8 base to 10 is equal to 0.90, then find the value of log 4 base to 10. Then first of all, log 8 base to 10 is equal to 0.90. Log 2 cube base to 10 is equal to 0.9. Then 3 log 2 base to 10 is equal to 0.90. Then log 2 base to 10 is equal to 0.30. Now find the value of log 4 base to 10. It becomes log 2 square base to 10. 2 log 2 base to 10. Then log 2 10 is equal to 2, 0.30 is equal to 0.60 is your answer. Same way, there is a third part is there, log 0.125 base to 10. Means all having the base 10. Then it will be log 125 over 1000 base to 10. 1 over 4. Log 4 is minus 1 base to 10. Then log 2 minus 2 over 10. Then minus 2 log 2 base to 10 is equal to minus 2 into 0.30. It will be 0.60 is your answer. Sorry, one mistake is there. 125, 8 is there. 8. Then it is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Then 0.90 is your answer. Then question number 3 is there. If log a base to 10 is equal to b, then find the value of 10 3b minus 2. Its value we have to find in terms of a. Then mean we know that log a base to 10 is equal to b. Then 10 raised to b will be equal to a. So find its value. 10 raised to 3b minus 2 is equal to 10b 3 into 10 minus 2. 10b is equal to a cube over 10 square. A cube over 100 is your answer. Now question number 6 is simplify log a cube minus log a. Here you can 3 will be back side. 3 log a minus log a. It will be 2 log a is your answer. Question number 11 is there. Log 25 base to x minus log 5 base to x is equal to 2 minus log 1 over 125 base to x. All having the base same. So log 5 square base to x minus log 5 base to x minus 2 plus is equal to 2 minus log x 5 base to minus 3. Then it will be 2 log 5 base to x minus log 5 base to x is equal to 2 plus 3 log 5 base to x. 2 minus 1, 1 log 5 base to x. Take this side, minus 3 log 5 base to x is equal to 2 log 5 base to 5. It become minus 2 log x 5. 2 log 5 base to 5. Then minus 2 cancelled. It become log 5 base to x. Then this will be equal to 1. So leave it 1 here. It become minus 1. Then minus 1 mean using same formula 1 over x is it become x raised to power minus 1 is equal to 5. 1 over x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 1 over 5 is your answer. So all the questions of this exercise is same. Now exercise is 8D. 3 question number first is there. 3 over 2 log a plus 2 over 3 log b minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of a 9 and b 4. So start. 3 it become log a base to 3 by 2 plus log b base to 2 by 3 is equal to 1. It is log a plus log b. It is equal to log a into b. A 3 by 2, b 2 by 3 is equal to log 1's value is 10. Log cancel. A 3 by 2, b 2 by 3 is equal to 10. Then took the LCM of 2 and 3. A 3 by 2 into 6, b 2 by 3 into 6 is equal to 10. Then it is equal to a 9, b 4 is equal to 10 is your answer which we have to be proved. Last question. Question number 3 is there. X is equal to log 0.6, y is equal to log 1.25, z is equal to log 3 minus 2 log 2. We have to find the value of x plus y minus z and 5 raised to power x plus y minus z. So then first of all you start find z, solve the z is equal to log 3 minus log 2 square. It is log 3 minus log 4. It will be equal to log 3 over 4. Or you can say that this is equal to log 0.75. So now solve x plus y minus z. Fill its value. X is equal to log 0.6 plus y is equal to log 1.25 minus z is equal to log 0.75. The formula log AB. Log 0.6 into 1.25 over 0.75. This is equal to 6 into 1.75 into 10. 3, 5, 5, 2, 3. This is equal to, sorry, wait 1 minute. Then 3, 3 is also cancelled. Log 1 mean it is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value x plus y minus z. Its value is already 0. It will be 5 raised to 0. 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. This is your answer. All question of this chapter is same. And this chapter is over. Logarithms is over. If there is any problem, you can contact me on my email, on my Gmail, or my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number, as you know, that 9814033319, and also subscribe my channel, because as soon as syllabus is finished, I will be continue send the videos, but I will not share. I will only upload my videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you.